sheep.
A yellow sheep.
Yellow sheep.
And what's next?
Red chicken.
Red chicken. You want to put it on the red chicken?
Then the red chicken. Away.
All right. What's next?
Red sheep.
Red sheep.
Look. Another pig.
Yellow pig.
Another pig.
Another pig. You got all three animals. And you say, bingo. You got all the animals on the yellow one.
Find a good one. Find a good one. This a cow.
A cow.
And some bingo.
Bingo.
Find
Find another cow.